Hi, I'm Ilaf, and today we will troubleshoot some common SharePoint Online issues and errors. We will discuss an issue wherein the user with full control permission cannot search items within group site, or a group owner comes to you stating that he is unable to search content within the site. So this is my user John. He's trying to search a keyword Rachel and he's unable to do it. So let's have a look. So over here, when John searches for the keyword or file starting with Rachel on the document library, he's not getting any search results. So let's give it a try on organization level search. So the scope of this search is site. So we'll have a look at organization level as well. So still we could not find any result for Rachel. So to begin troubleshooting, we will check for a few pointers that are listed in this presentation. So the first one is we need to check if the site is searchable. So we'll do that. So I'll switch to an account with full control or owner permission to the affected site. So I am on my admin account over here. I'll go to the settings icon, site information, view all site settings. And under search, I'll click on search and offline availability. Over here, we need to make sure that the option to allow this site to appear in search results, this option needs to be selected as yes, because if it is selected as no, then your site won't be visible in the search results, and all your content within the site won't be visible in the search results. All right, so make sure that this is set to yes. Now, the second point is to check if the content within the library is allowed in the search results. So we'll check that as well. So we'll come back to our site collection. We'll go to the documents library. Again, settings icon, library settings, and advanced settings. We'll scroll down to the section search, and over here as well, allow items from this document library to appear in search results. We need to make sure that this is set to yes. So we have confirmed these two things. We'll go back to the site as an administrator, and we will check the permission just to be on the safe side. At the item level, we'll go to manage access, advanced, check permission, John, and we'll click on check now. So yes, he has full control. We'll go close, and if you notice, it is inheriting permissions from the library level. So most probably, or at the library level as well, he has full control, and over the side as well, he has full control. All right, so we need to scope the issue, or we need to isolate the issue. Uh, First, we will check if the affected user has proper permission on item level. Then we will check at the document library level if he has proper permission, and then at the entire site level. To check the permission at site level, we will go to the settings icon and site permissions. All right, so let's switch back to our presentation and have a look at the next pointer. So we have covered the third point, that is to isolate if the issue is at item level, library level, or site specific level, and we have clarified that the user has proper permissions. So the next point is to check if the affected file is checked out for editing. In many scenarios, we have seen, specifically if we're talking about a page, if the user is trying to search a page, and if that page is in, draft state or not published, then it may happen that that particular page is not appearing in search results. So we need to make sure that our pages are published. And if we are talking about a document, or if we are talking about an office file, we need to make sure that that particular file is not checked out for editing, or um, we need to make sure that that file is checked in. But in most of the scenarios, checked out files are also searchable. So just to be on the safe side, we need to cover all these pointers. And we have already checked the permission on file, library, and site. That is all fine. And other things that we could do is we need to compare the search results from different sites as well. So we can ask the user to, search any content from a different site on the site level, or on the library level search, and on the tenant level search, to identify whether the issue is specific to a single site or multiple sites are affected. You can do all these things or to troubleshoot and isolate the issue. And another differentiation what you could do is you need to make the user search on the affected site. If it check if it is a group connected team site, and ask the user to uh, perform a search on a communication side as well. So if the search is working on a communication site, but if it is not working on a team site, then it could indicate things, and you can uh, isolate the issue at site specific or template specific level as well. And while troubleshooting this issue, one of the most major factor of that causes this issue, or if you're talking about the cause of this issue, is that if the group owner, if it is a group connected site collection, and if the group owner is not added as a member in M365 group, then search will not work. And why this happens? It is because of the design of the product. It is designed in such a way that whenever the search is querying something, the security trimming or security filtering, it searches at the group membership level. The APIs work in such a way that it works, or it searches for the members. It doesn't searches for the owners. So if it is a group connected site, we need to make sure that the group owner is added as a member. And to do that, we will switch back to our admin account. We will go to M365 Admin Center this time, right? And over here, we'll go to groups, active groups, and we will search for the group. So over here, this is my affected group, or the group connected site is created from this group. So over here, I'll go to members. I see that I see that I am added as an owner, and John is added as an owner as well. But John is not added as a member. So what I'll do is I'll click on view all and manage members. I'll click on add members. I'll search for John. If not, if I don't see him in this list, and then I'll click on John, and I'll click on add. So now John is added over here. All right, so I'll click on close. Now I'll switch to a window wherein I'm signed in with John's account, or I'll ask John to, go back to his site, refresh his site once. And most important thing, we need to make sure that whenever we are performing any troubleshooting steps, we need to ask the user to use in private or incognito browsing window. All right, I'll go back to my documents. I'll search for Rachel again. It's not searching. Maybe it's taking time to replicate the changes. So we'll wait for a couple of minutes. Okay. Hey guys, so I have waited for around 30 to 40 minutes for this to work. Let's give it a try again. So I'm with my user's account, John. I'll click on Rachel. I'll click on search. So still no results. We'll expand the search to all items in the site. So basically we'll scope the search results at site collection level. So yes, I am finding the content and it is searching now for the document Rachel. And if I go to my SharePoint home site and try to search, yes, I'm getting the results for my user John. So for the issue with my library, I think it is taking time for the crawler to pick up all the information and reindex it. So it might take up to 24 hours, but definitely, if you follow this troubleshooting steps, these steps will help you resolve the issue. And basically, once we added John as a member inside the M365 group, that will definitely resolve uh, my issue. And if you have your users, that will resolve your users issues as well. So thank you so much for watching the video. Please subscribe our channel, and if you want, you can also follow me on LinkedIn.